Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this FX makeup. This is the first time that I've ever done it, so once you go through the video you'll see that I've made a lot of mistakes, but I think all this is like learning as you go through trial and error. But I think I didn't do too bad, and I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do this. Alright, I'm going to remove my makeup to give myself a fresh thing.
Still ugly anyways.
You literally just said you're so beautiful.
I didn't say that.
It was heavily implied. Alright, I'm gonna take... Oh, Julie, I'm nervous. Dude, I've never played with this before. I'm nervous. Oh, that's cold.
Do I laugh if it gets stuck in that hair?
My sideburns. No way to wax. No, I don't do my double chin.
Is it supposed to dry?
Yeah. But I need to get some of this on here. I'm gonna take some coffee grounds. So I'm adding coffee grounds because I want to use two methods. That looks creepy. The first method is with the cotton, and then the second is with the coffee grounds. Okay, I'm gonna add just a bit more liquid latex and a little bit more cotton. Like this little guy, kind of. Poke and prod at it, making little divots. Alright, I'm gonna go wash my hands really quick and let this dry. Alright guys, so now I have let the latex, the glue, and the coffee dry up. So next is basically just like coloring it up. And yes, I do know that I am wearing a white shirt, but this is going to be part of my costume for tomorrow, so I really don't mind if it gets dirty. So I'm going to go in and fill in some of these empty spaces with this Wet n Wild, just black liner, any liner that you have. So this is just going to help bring in some dimension, so just fill in these little spots. So I also got these little paints. I have a brown one, and then I obviously have a red one with a little bit of brown. It's slightly showing up. I'm also going to go in with this red one. This is very bright, very red. Go over some of these areas with the brown, like tone down this redness, or like the pinks in the red. Next, I'm going to take some brown powder. What?
It looks cute. Oh, I got the heebie-jeebies.
The heebie-jeebies? And a little bit here. Now I'm just gonna add some fake blood.
You're done?
Yeah.
It has no blood? Burly.
Ooh, burly. But it looks cool once I get it on. Alright guys, so this is the final product. I just have to let it dry. If you guys don't know how to do this, I guess hopefully this helps. I didn't really walk you through it. What really saved me was having a brown eyeshadow. So I'll leave all the products that I use below if I can find them. Alright guys, so this is my Annihilation or loose adaptation of an Annihilation character. If you haven't seen that movie, it is one of my favorites of 2018 and I highly recommend you watch it. And it is a very simple costume outfit. You most likely have stuff in your wardrobe that you have. They wear khaki, obviously, but I have green pants, green jacket, plain white tee, and then I have combat boots and then a backpack. The FX makeup is obviously an extra step that you can take. One of my favorite characters on there is Gina Rodriguez's, and her face was like basically mauled off by the bear, and I thought that was incredible. I just didn't want to try to like remove my face, so this is the next best thing. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching this, and yeah, alright, bye guys. Yay! Should I go show Dad?